Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set up custom LED lamp notifications on your VIVO V23. So in order to do that, we'll need to download an app called NotifyBuddy from our Google Play Store. So let's try to find it. NotifyBuddy, and hit the search button. Now select this app and press install. After installation process is complete, we can open the app, move to the next step, and we'll be able to grant two permissions to the app. And the first one is notification permission. Let's do it. NotifyBuddy, allow notifications, allow. Let's go back and do the same thing with overlay. Find NotifyBuddy and allow overlay permission. Here's the third option, which is battery optimization, and you don't need to disable it unless the app doesn't work properly. Now let's move to the next step and press OK. From here we can start using the app, and you can see 4 tabs down below here. And the first one is user. Here you can pick which apps will get the custom LED light notifications. So let's pick Facebook, like that. In the system right here you'll find all apps bound to the system. And you can also select them to get custom LED notifications. On the active tab you will see all apps that you've accepted to get these notifications, and in the settings you can change everything about your LED lamp, like its size, shape, or place on the screen, even time between blinking. Now let's see how it's gonna look like. So here you can see the little lamp glowing in the top left corner. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.